Hi, my name is Vrishali Parekh and I'm representing NJIT Solution. I recently joined my father's business. I did my bachelor's in marketing from Pune University, and then I did my master's in digital transformation from Symbiosis University. I joined about 6 months back, and I began with understanding our flagship product, that is Sangam CRM. I started to understand, I conversed with a lot of customers and started to understand that why they use our product, what and how they are benefiting from our product, what are their other expectations. Ground reality from academics are usually very different. So first initial days were just me trying to bridge that gap, trying to understand how the office and corporate works. So it's been a wonderful experience in last 6 months, and yes, a lot of people, my generation, consider not joining family business, doing their own, finding their own path and doing something different. It's everybody's choice. I think I find it wonderful. Everybody has their own pathways to go on for. My father has built something, in fact, it's a family business, so my father and my uncles have built something great, and I would like to take it forward. It's an honor, it's a privilege. Thank you so much. It was not something that happened very sudden. It was not something कि अचानक एक दिन मन हो गया था. Initially plan यही था कि I find something else to do, but then I saw the work that they do. I understood the work that they do, and it was very inspiring. I wanted to join. I wanted to be able to do something better and give to the community the way they give back. I think we are doing some lot of wonderful work which is not being communicated properly to the outside world. I think वहाँ कहीं पे गैप आ रहा है कि हम जो बहुत कुछ एक छोटे से गांव में बैठ के कर रहे हैं ना, वो पूरी दुनिया तक पहुँचने में अभी भी हल्का सा कहीं ना कहीं हम चूक रहे हैं. So I think that's the gap which I would like to fulfill at MIKE. हमारी ऑफिस में it's a fresher friendly office, तो lot of people are my age. 1-2 साल ऊपर नीचे. Majority of our team members and colleagues are below 30 years, so it's not been very difficult to accommodate there. And if you are talking about the bridge between me and my father, तो भी our thoughts and our processes are very similar, so I've never faced that. Lot of channel partners we are meeting at the global space to take our products out of India, different countries, different languages. And yes, 5 year we are thinking of going global, maybe an MNC, somewhere different, yes. I think, the Me Too movement, the feminism movement, we have gone through everything, and it's time that women take up on entrepreneurship. A lot of women have been doing for a lot of years, and it's just that every woman should out there be able to, fulfill their dreams the way they want to.
For more information, please visit www.ncnonline.net.